现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you a very practical phrase. It's called sometimes, right? We use that sometimes. Yep, sometimes we use sometimes. 有时候怎么说呢？
有赏识。
有赏识，有的时候我们就会用有时候这个字嘛，这个词了哦。我跟你讲，有时候啊，我现在真的都会下厨了。
真的、
因为自己的厨房弄得干干净净，买了很多厨具啊，然后就会实验啊。哇，当然失败比较多了。
心好男人，
常常来我家会觉得超会搭，那个烧焦的味道很多。但是就
这样会进步啊，
这样才会进步。
那你的拿手菜是什么、啊？
我跟你讲，以前只会炒饭而已，对不对？现在连客家小炒都会做了。
真的那么厉害？
奶奶来教我的啦，
下次煮给我吃。
一定的啊。Okay, so now I know how to even make something like the Hakka stir fry. Let's put you in this scenario, okay? 有的时候我会自己下厨 ，sometimes I will cook for myself.
有赏识，
有赏识，
我会自家煮食。
我会自家煮食。
有赏识，我会自家煮食。
哦，煮食就是下厨下的煮东西嘛，对。All right， 有时候 sometimes I will cook for myself. 那 Alice 刚刚问了 ，What is your best dish？
对啊，你的拿手菜是什么？
你的拿手菜是什么？
嘅素卤菜。
嘅素卤菜。
黑马雞，
黑馬雞，
嘅素卤菜，黑馬雞，
素卤菜是
拿手菜。
Yeah, that means what is your best dish? And for me right now, it's no longer fried rice. It's Hakka stir fried. It's a very delicious dish, and now I know how to cook it. And my grandma taught me how to cook it. 这个奶奶就教我煮的客家小炒啦，对不对？My grandma taught me how to make the Hakka stir fry.
阿婆搞矮，
阿婆搞矮，
不是是啊。
哦，阿婆搞矮，
阿婆搞矮煮雞。
阿婆搞矮煮雞，
客家炒肉，
客家炒肉客家炒肉怎么知道嗎？就客家小炒。That would be the Hakka stir fried. It's a very delicious dish, and now I know how to cook it. 就是我可以帮你煮一道菜了啦。All right, let's review some of these phrases right now, okay? Such as cook for yourself, 自己下厨，
自家煮食，
自家煮食。And then your best dish, 拿手菜，
素卤菜，
素卤菜。And then also the Hakka stir fry, 客家小炒，
客家炒肉，
客家炒肉。And it's all about the phrase this month, 有时候 sometimes.
有赏识，
有赏识。And now you know, I feel hungry. 有点饿了。That does for today's Practical Hakka.
师傅太卡。
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.